the worst type of question you can get in the UCAT in the quantitative reasoning section? Arguably, this is tax questions because of how time consuming they are. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips to help make answering them a lot more easier. Hi, I'm Lovely. I sat the UCAT last summer, got a score of 2,950 and a score of 710 in the QR section. I also have free UCAT notes which you can email me for access, and check out my YouTube which goes into a lot more detail for tips in the different sections. Starting off with tip number 1, with tax questions, when you see one, if it looks really difficult, just make sure you guess it, flag the question and move on. At the end, when you have more time to come back to the question, then you can go into detail rather than wasting time and jeopardizing the rest of your questions. Tip number 2 is to make sure you use estimations. If your answers are far apart from each other, then just estimate and round the numbers, as that's so much more easier than doing specific calculations for everything. And finally, tip number 3 is to make sure that you know how to convert between percentages and decimals really quickly in your head so you don't need to use a calculator. This is because tax questions often use percentages, so you'll be expected to do calculations with them. So just knowing that automatically will make it a lot more easier for your calculations, saving you time.